Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can disable or turn off app recommendations in Redmi. So to start, you will need to find and launch the built-in system security app, or simply a security app. Now launch its settings by tapping on this gear icon to your top right. From here, scroll down, look for the receive recommendations toggle and switch it off. Additionally, if you will receive app recommendations from other applications, you can open them and, well, switch off the recommendations from there. For example, as you can see, I have those absolutely horrible MI video recommendations, which are not app recommendations, but still. And I can open the MI video app, well, launch its settings and also switch those recommendations off. So keep that in mind. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.